PowerPoint has 140 plus SmartArt options, but I'm going to give you 16 more. You can download them and use them right now. Where did it come from? Designer. In PowerPoint, when you type something in any slide and then go to Home tab and Designer, it tries to design the slide for you. And many of these designs are SmartArt. Now, these two, for example, are already available as SmartArt, but there are some, they are exclusively available as a part of Designer output. I have compiled a list of 16 such special SmartArt. Now, because these are SmartArt, they behave like SmartArt. So when you click on it, there is an editor which you can open or close and then edit things which will dynamically update the diagram. So let's go through these 16 one by one. There is a comparatively recent one. I have found it as an output of Copilot, which has a title or topic and subtopic. Yes, I would say this could have been done as a table, but it does have all the SmartArt features. Timelines are very sophisticated in SmartArt. A lot of variations are available. I am showing you all the ones I have discovered. There are vertical variations also like this. And recently I found this one very interesting. It is a vertical variation of timeline. It also finds the correct icon. Really nice. The next category of SmartArt is icons themselves. You just put bullets. It'll find the relevant icons and arrange them as a SmartArt. I can edit it. But when I add a new item, the icon I will have to add manually. Click on it and then choose from any of the pictures. Whenever you see an icon, the same thing could have been a picture as well. There's another one, icons with labels but without the shape. Gives it a cleaner appearance. There's a vertical variation of labels and icons. And now we have processes. We have numbered process. This goes beyond single digit. So I have gone up to 13, 14 items and the numbers come automatically, which is amazing. This is another variation. And then a very interesting one I found, when you have a long list of step-by-step process, it has put the step as it is, but it has detected the verb from it, find, copy, convert, code, making it easier to understand the overall process. And this is the latest one I found. This comes as an output of Copilot, where we have picture SmartArt. There is a picture, there is a topic and details. So if you go to the editor, you'll see picture here and then first level of bullet, second level of bullet. So there you have it, 16 new types of SmartArt to enhance your presentations. You can download this presentation. The link is in the description. So try it out, share it with everyone and subscribe for more. So that's it. See you soon. Thank you.